Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I made this beautiful sunburst with skewers, mirror and a couple of things that you can easily find in the market, in local market or in the supermarkets close to you. So hi once again. So I'll show you the things I used to make this beautiful sunburst mirror. So first I had to get a round mirror. The thing about this round mirror that I went round the market looking for it, but finally I got it. And then I cut two circles from a piece of cotton and to like a bit, I think about 2 centimeters wider. That's the word. And then I use a protractor and a ruler to make these lines and circle around it. Then you need a hot glue gun. So some trimmings. I bought these trimmings. They were joined together, but I noticed that I wouldn't be able to use them, so I had to separate them. And then the skewers. I bought a small size, a medium, and a long one, a long size. I don't have time to check the measurement, but anyway, yeah, long, small, medium, yeah, that's what I used. And I'd already gone ahead to separate them, so I'll get the ones that are not so straight. And then I bought these trimmings from a fabric store, like a Bodri store, and then a gold spray paint. And that covers it. So let's go ahead and start this DIY. So I already went ahead to start to do some because I knew that if I should do all of it, it would be hours long. So but here you see me just put the hot glue gun on glue on it, and then I'll show you how to put the skewers. Start with the longest one first. Due to the fact that I already had some lines marked on it, like there were ones that were longer from the center. This way where I was placing the longer skewers on. I'm going to show you again what it is, how I do it. Now they are in between this line, from the skewer and the present place I placed it, there's a line in between, so I always skip the line because for that space I would want to put
me wind and rain.
as you can see, I placed it on the longest skewers at first. I placed it on every long skewer. The longest skewers, I placed the gem at the tip of it. Then after that, I'm using an effusive glue. I believe that's what it's called. Like for it and the mirror, I placed some on the mirror, but for some reason I missed. I couldn't find that clip. So yeah, and because of the spray paint, it's looking good. Then I went ahead to continue placing the gemstones. The reason why I placed the glue first is because it needed time to dry a bit so it could adhere properly to the mirror. Now the trick to placing these gemstones is that you don't arrange them, although you can if you want to arrange them in a circular, like around it properly, but I wanted it to be sparse, not like had a funk to it and not together. But somehow I think as time goes on I might decide to add a few gems after seeing the end product. Now I went ahead to put the mirror and the trimming. I could not find this clip. I don't know where they are. I thought I filmed it, but only for me when it was time to edit it, putting it together right now, and then I realized that those clips are not on my phone. So I had to also place the white hanky to cover the mirror because it was reflecting, and then the light was just disturbing my eyes and all of that. So this is me just putting the trimmings, I think that's what it's called, on the mirror. And there you have it, guys, a beautiful sunburst mirror. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do have to give this video a like. Share your thoughts with me on what you think about it in the comment section. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.